So I'm back with another snus review, and today I have Brukssnus Loss. Loose snus is definitely the way to go if you want to experience the authentic flavours of a snus. No portion material to make a barrier between the priller and the taste buds. Bit of product information on this one. The manufacturer is Brukssnus. The nicotine level is described as regular, 11 milligrams a gram, and the flavour, tobacco. The net weight of this can, 35 grams. Taking a quick look around the can, we have a gold plastic can or tub, like dark graphite labels with the branding. Catchy branding on this one. It makes me think about woodland and nature for some reason. We have our obligatory warning labels and an expiry date on the back. No catch lid on this one as it's a loss. This is one that's been around on the market for quite a while. I think they also do it in a white portion. I'll have to check on that. If they do, I'll get some. Like I said, it has been around for a while, but it's the first time I've ever actually tried this one, so looking forward to this one. Opening the can, and there we have the snus. It's nice and moist to the touch, and the smell is earthy tobacco with a slight smokiness to it. I'm also getting a slight hint of white pepper off this. Now this one is described as being somewhere between medium and fine grind. So if you've never used a loss, it might be a little tricky to hand bake, but we'll wait and see. So without further ado, I shall dig into the can, get some, and try hand bake a priller. I found it easy enough to hand bake, made a decent priller there, so I'll pop this in and come back and let you know my thoughts on this one. I've had this in about 45 minutes now. What do I think? It's a great loss, a good product for sure. When I first popped this in, I got a very slight burn. It didn't take long for the flavour to develop, and I got an earthy, robust tobacco, smoky peat undertones. It's uncomplicated, good, earthy tobacco. If I buy a snus and it's described as tobacco, this is what I want. After a few minutes, the flavour became quite powerful. Great taste of tobacco coming on strong. The nicotine, good hit. Described as regular, and I'd go along with that. It's not a powerful nicotine hit, but it's there. If you like regular strength portions, you'd be fine with this. It's held together well. I've had no mudslide, no going mushy under the lip, so all good. This is what I expect from a lost snus. Great flavour, good nicotine delivery. When a snus is described as tobacco, this is the kind of tobacco flavour I like to get. It's a great product and one I'd definitely go for again. The next portion I'm reviewing is this one. This is going to be a head spinner for me. 5 out of 5 for strength. Please subscribe. I'm going to start doing some giveaways and sending cans out to people from time to time. Thanks for watching.